Hey, so does Jungle Scout work in Japan? Does it work in the Japan marketplace of Amazon? Is it available there? In this video, you're going to find the answer, and also you're going to see exactly which tools currently work with Amazon Japan by Jungle Scout. Now, this page is going to be available in description for you. We're going to see all the tools here in this nice table, but I recommend you checking it with time because things might change. Also, in the description, you are going to find the best discounts for Jungle Scout and a playlist with over 100 tutorials that show you how to use different parts of Jungle Scout. So welcome to the video. My name is Vova Evans, seller on Amazon and user of Jungle Scout. So let's see, list of supported countries, and we have Japan here, but it says in addition, we offer limited support for the following stores. So those stores kind of and marketplaces have more options, but for Japan, Jungle Scout also have some options. Now, also bear in mind, if you need some alternatives for basically for Amazon Japan, you have them in the description as well, because Jungle Scout can help with some parts of it, but not with all of them, although they do have quite a lot of support. So let's see. For Japan, it's here number 8 from the right. It's Japan. And it's kind of in the middle here. As you can see, I'm pointing on it. So Japan home dashboard is fully available for Japan. So that's just the dashboard of all the Jungle Scout tools. It works in Japan and all the other marketplaces. Toolbox. Japan is the one that's the last one from the left, actually, that has the sales estimator and the listing grader. So sales estimator is going to help you understand how many sales a product is doing per month on the Amazon Japan marketplace. It's a really good tool. And listing grader is a tool that helps you understand how good a specific listing is on Amazon. Is it good? Is it not? There's like a score. So those tools actually work for Amazon Japan. So that's really nice. For product research is our next column here. We have the product tracker, product database, and opportunity finder working for Japan. So that's a nice opportunity to do product research on the Amazon Japan marketplace. And they're all fully available. Except the category trends, which is the last part of product research. It's kind of a tool by Jungle Scout that helps you see like most trending categories and what they have to offer. Only works for the US market, but it doesn't work in Japan. So you can just go to the bestsellers part of Japan and do it kind of the research yourself. That's not as good as what they provide, but you can do it on your own. Next one is suppliers, and supplier database. Next one is not available for Japan. It's actually only available for the US. It's a tool that helps you find the best suppliers for your products. You can spy on the competition and their suppliers, but you can also find suppliers through Alibaba. And I have a tutorial of Alibaba, full tutorial from A to Z, 15-minute in the description for you. Supplier tracker though is fully available for Amazon Japan by Jungle Scout, and this tool will help you organize your suppliers, organize your purchase orders with them, and kind of not go chaotic, because with time, by shipping here and there, buying here and from this supplier and from that one, you just can get kind of overwhelmed. So this is going to be comfortable for you to have it all in one place. Next one is keywords, keyword research. So we have Keyword Scout, Keyword Lists, and Listing Builder. They are both available, or all of those three are available for Japan marketplace. Keyword Scout will help you find the best keywords for your product. Keyword Lists is going to help you organize those keywords in nice lists so you can later on use them in the Listing Builder to build listings for your Amazon products in Japan. Of course, I have tutorials for all those tools in the playlist of the Jungle Scout tutorials in the description for you. But Rank Tracker, the next one, is not available for Japan. So that means you won't be able to track the ranking of your keywords. Let's say you're selling a samurai sword in Japan. Kind of being cliche here, but what can I do? The rank tracker is not going to help you basically understand at which position and page your samurai sword is located. So you'll have to do it either with other tools. That's why I have some alternatives down in the description for you. And bear in mind that Japan is a growing marketplace. So tools are still developing there, and Jungle Scout for Japan is also going to be better and better, but currently they're still not supporting it. Maybe it's going to be available with time. So in the description, I recommend you checking out this feature by breakdown by marketplace, feature breakdown by marketplace kind of page. So you'll be able to see, maybe they will edit with some time. Next one is marketing, and we have review automation here. It's a nice tool that works in Japan, helps you automatically request reviews from your sales, and this way you can get more reviews automatically done by Jungle Scout. It's a very good tool. I recommend you using it. It's available for all marketplaces, and again, it will help you get more reviews automatically. So next one is keywords. Keywords is actually not really keywords. It's more like financial kind of reporting here. I think it's a little mistake. Hopefully they're going to fix it soon, but that part is helping you with finances. So profit overview, P&L statement, and other transactions are tools that will help you see if you're profitable or not on Amazon Japan. because only relying on the sales that Amazon gives you, it's a bit hard. You need to understand how much you're paying for your product and then subtract all that, subtract the fees. For that, you have the profit overview and P&L statement and all that stuff. It's going to be very helpful if you want to see if you're profiting or not in your business. It's working for Japan and all the other marketplaces by Jungle Scout. Advertising is the next part, PPC, advertising ads on Amazon. There's a helper by Jungle Scout and like a tool that helps you. We have, of course, the tutorial for that. So all those tools, by the way, we have tutorials. You can use my playlist in the description, or you can kind of just do a Google search like Vova Evan, Profit Overview, Jungle Scout. You'll find my tutorials there. Hopefully, they're going to be good for you. Next one is Manage Products, and this is Inventory Manager and Product Settings and Costs. And those tools help you with inventory management on your Amazon Japan marketplace. So don't go out of stock, don't go overstock. You'll be able to add the time it takes you for creating your product, and then it's going to add the time that it takes you to ship your product to Amazon Japan. They're going to take your sales because it's going to be connected to your Seller Central, and in this way you'll be able to see how many days left for your stock. Are you overstocking? Are you not? When to order products? Okay, so this is a very good tool because you gotta nail the inventory management with Amazon FBA. Otherwise, you're gonna go out of stock and overstock, and that's not the best scenario in both of them. So let's go down and see if the extension works. Extension is a really cool tool that helps with the product research, product validation. It's available through the link in the description. You can download it. Of course, there's a tutorial about 45 minutes on how to use the extension. Yes, it is available for Amazon Japan store, as you can see here. I don't know why they added store here and didn't add it in the other ones, but for the Amazon Japan marketplace, amazon.jp, the extension is available and you can use it to do product research and product validation. So also on the screen here, you're going to find the playlist of Jungle Scout tutorials, over 100 tutorials, and the best discounts are available for you as well. And of course, this page as well is available for you. I wish you a great day there in Japan, and I hope you get good sales with that samurai sword or whatever you're selling there, even if it's maybe just regular garlic press.